嘛。Use the spanner to screw tight the cutting tools on the spindle. Make sure it is tight enough so it won't fly out during working. This is very important because it's for safety. For ATC machine, you need to connect the machine to a air compressor. Okay, now let's start use the machine. First, turn on the power. And the system starts. Wait for a moment. Okay, so we have set all the 3 tools on the spindles and ready to do the work. It has a question on the screen asking back to reference point. Here we press OK. So you can see the machine starts to move to the bottom left corner. This is the... And after that, here's the second question. Find the U-disc, scan it. We press ESC now. Press down and 1 to enable the spindle 1. And I move Z until it's very